really good week so far. So today I decided to do a rainbow eye look. Honestly, out of all the eye looks that I have done ever since I've worn makeup, this has to be one of the most intimidating eye looks that I ever kind of agreed to do. Only because I am not good with color. If you look at all my other videos, they're pretty much just neutral colors. I know that I try and mix it up sometimes, but I really never use this much color. So I'm a little bit out of my comfort zone. For a first timer using this much color, I think I did okay. Honestly, it was kind of hard trying to find a decent spectrum of color, because most of my palettes, this is a neutral with a couple colors down here. I used the Subculture palette. I only used it for the yellow because I don't have a single yellow shadow, or I don't have a palette that has a bright yellow in it. I dipped into the Huda Beauty Sunset palette. I used the purple and the orange, and I dipped into the Tarte's Pro palette. I hope you guys really enjoy it. I am liking it. I think I did good for a first timer trying to use this much color. So yes, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial, and I will see you guys next time. Okay, so first I'm going to be dipping into Desert Sand. It's a really gorgeous peachy tone, and I'm going to be using that to set my concealer and primer. Jumping into the Tarte's Pro palette, I'm going to pick up Mod, and I'm going to be using this as my transition tone. I'm just going to be doing windshield wiper motions, really working that into my crease. Now I'm going to jump into Drama, and I'm going to put that right on top of the transition tone just to give it some dimension. With a larger fluffy brush, I'm going to jump right back into Mod, and I'm going to be putting that above my crease, a little bit closer to the brow bone, just to bring some of that nice pink back. With the same fluffy brush, I'm going to jump into Mod, and I'm going to put that I'm going to jump into Whimsy. I'm going to put that on top of Mod to bring some nice colorful warmness. To bring some more colorful warmness, I'm going to be taking Blazing on the same fluffy brush, and this shade is from the Huda Beauty Desert palette. I'm really just using Blazing to mix all of the nice colors together, and as you can tell, each time I'm mixing a color, I'm going higher and higher to my brow bone. Now I'm going to be going into this purpley shade called Amethyst, and I'm going to be blending that into all the colors, wrapping it all together, and just bringing some nice purple back in, because I feel like the first purple shade that I brought in was lost. So I picked up some NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer on this really tiny definer brush, and I'm just going to carve out my lid. I'm not going to make it too straight or anything, because obviously I'm going to be blending colors on it, so you won't even see it anyway. But I'm just laying this down so all of the lid colors, like the real rainbow colors, can pop. Okay, so for the first lid color, I'm going to be jumping into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm picking up the color Pool Party. I found the little card that came with it. So I'm just going to be laying that down on the outer corner of my lid, making sure that it's really blended, and I really want that color to be nice and bright.
So for the next lid color, I'm picking up New Wave from the Subculture palette. I really was considering picking up Edge instead, but I feel like Edge is just, it's way too mustardy for this look. So this was the closest thing I was going to get to a yellow. I'm just really making sure that Edge and Pool Party have a nice blend to them. And on the fluffy brush, I went ahead and picked up some more Mod to bring back some of that nice, you know, pink color. And then I took a pencil brush and I picked up some of Drama, and I ran that along my waterline. I decided to start building colors on my waterline, so I'm going into Pool Party with the same brush I used to buff it out with. Okay, so now I'm going to be moving on to my face. I'm just going to be using my bronzer, the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. No surprises here. I'm using the Too Faced Natural Face. Once again, no surprises here. And I'm going to be using these two blushes and that highlighter to be completing my face. Finally, for my lips, I decided to go on with some Posy K by Kylie Cosmetics to finish up this look. And this is it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.